Model: 58-plate Volkswagen Transporter T28, 8.4, 1.9 TDI short wheelbase, MOT'D low mileage body, white, panel van mileage, 120729 MOT, the 28th of December 2023 engine, 1896 cc Bur 8.4 bhp E4 transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Duck in 5th gear, gearbox needs repairing or replacing, clutch looks and feels good, very low mileage for a VW T5 condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.